how to turn on antivirus on Windows 11. This is a pretty new update on Windows operating system. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your Windows desktop, navigate to the start menu and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on settings. This will land on an interface like this. On the left, you could see a list of menus. Make sure to tap on privacy and settings. With this selected, continue to tap on Windows security. Then proceed to tap on virus and threat protection. In order to turn on antivirus on Windows 11, we have to proceed to tap on turn on antivirus and threat protection. After that, that's not all. You have to then proceed to tap on manage settings. Then make sure to toggle on anything that you see here. In this case, I'm going to toggle on automatic sample submission. You also have to toggle on temper protection. Then continue to scroll down and tap on manage control folder access, and make sure this is also toggled on. That's it. You have successfully turned on antivirus on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.